Smart Strip Advanced has a brand new all-green look. Smart Strip Advanced has the same trusted formula you've come to know and love, now available in a convenient, easy-to-pour, all-green color container. This innovative new packaging brings added user-friendly features to all of your paint removal projects. This distinctive green container offers effortless pouring control and is easy to spot and store in your workspace. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, you'll appreciate the new easy open design compared to the classic bucket lid. Just twist off the cap and you're ready to pour directly onto horizontal surfaces or into a paint pan to tackle vertical projects. Smart Strip Advanced continues to be the go-to solution for tackling tough paint removal challenges at home and on the job site. In a single application, this powerful formula effectively strips multiple layers of oil, latex, acrylic, and water-based paints, stains, and varnishes, keeping them in a wet state and eliminating airborne dust. It also contains no caustic chemicals. That means no dangerous methylene chloride or hazardous NMP commonly found in many other paint removers. The versatility of Smart Strip Advanced shines through as it works expertly to remove coatings from wood, metal, and masonry surfaces, making it perfect to use for both indoor and outdoor projects. Easy to use, easy to store, and easy to pour. That's Smart Strip Advanced, now available in new, ready-to-pour all-green packaging.